Guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you for staying with me on this channel. Thank you very much. It's been a while since I posted on this channel, but you have been faithful and you have shown love by staying on this channel with me. And today I'm coming to your way with a great news. Okay, I'm coming to your way with a good news, and the good news is that Alpha Bundle has been restored. Okay, a lot of people were calling me, what has happened to Alpha Bundle, what has happened to their system. I'm trying to register and it's not going through. I'm trying to buy bundle and it's not going through. In fact, it was very hurting, but now they have restored the system. So please, you can now enjoy your Alpha Bundle package. So just dial the star 1848 and buy your 6 CDs package, and you can enjoy it for the whole month. You get unlimited calls to Alpha subscribers call, and you can also get 220 minutes to call all other network or unsubscribed numbers. So let's try and see. Let's confirm it. Okay, star 1848. Wow. The system is truly back. Okay, the system is truly back. So if you want to buy, you just click on one. Okay, wow. Alpha Bundle, Alpha plus data bundle for others notification. So you see, the system is now back. Okay, the system is now back. But if you dial the star 1848 and it does not go through, please don't worry, because they are now working on some of the challenges that they were facing. So if you dial it and it did not go through, don't worry. By tomorrow or tomorrow next, the system will be fully restored. Okay, the system will be fully restored, so you can now enjoy your Alpha Bundle. So Alpha Bundle is back. Alpha Bundle is back. All right, so if you want to register, you can just call this number 0241 411215. You can just call this number. I will leave it under the description so that you can just pick the number to call. If you want to become an agent too, you can just call that number to become an agent. So Alpha Bundle has come to stay. So enjoy it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Kindly subscribe on this channel, because I have a lot of great deals for you. Don't leave without subscribing. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.